Rapidly changing markets and customer needs, combined with scarce and declining resources, pose serious challenges to today's industrial manufacturers and customers. We need to use scarce resources more wisely and collaborate across industry sectors to create additional value and increase competitiveness. Use It Wisely is an EU-funded research project that aims to address these challenges. Use It Wisely combined cutting-edge research with industry and SME experts to develop new tools and technologies, allowing greater efficiencies and more effective use of resources. Use It Wisely has developed new business models, tools and applications which allow continuous product service upgrades of high-cost complex products, resulting in project service agility, lower costs and shorter lead times. These achievements will also increase competitiveness and reduce environmental impact of industry processes. The Use It Wisely cross-sector approach gave the project a distinct advantage. By leveraging links between research and industry, the project was more productive and resulted in greater benefits for the customer. This video captures Use It Wisely's main innovations and breakthroughs, which were discussed at the project's final event.
We have reinvented the wheel in a very, I would say, efficient and proficient way, and pleasant way. What we thought was the way of doing things in the past suddenly became a revelation of how to do things by bringing companies together in a new way, by integrating, by fusing processes which in the past were distinct and discrete. Now it has become more seamless, it has become more productive, and it has become, I would say, a quantum leap forward compared to what we did in the past.
I think this is one of the key breakthroughs of the project, that it has been rethinking constantly the way of how to optimize resources in order to create additional value. Due to the declining resources of our Earth and due to the ever higher competition that business is facing nowadays, we need to rethink the way we are doing business. And that requires, of course, that we think about how to best use the resources we have.
We achieved very good results. We managed to make information flow freely between different space sectors. Of course, space products are very complex. They have very long lead times. And so we managed to streamline, especially the first phases, the design phases of the whole process. And so we're very happy about the results of the project.
The project has different kind of result. That the most important word, I think, is useful. This is a very useful result in order to maintain the situation of a high level of technology.
We have got an overview of new technologies which we can exploit in the future, perhaps new processes and different kind of views to develop processes and develop products.
By utilizing the ICT tools and technology developed and Use It Wisely, we can find good benefits for companies, for example, by maintaining and driving production in Europe. Also by using top-of-the-line new research and methods that are really competitive and easy to use.
I think it's an eye-opener. This is the way we feel. I cannot guarantee this is the way everybody will feel. But I have to say that not only did we stand to benefit and gain from the technological, scientific sides of the project, we gained on a human level because we managed to cooperate in a better way. We managed to collaborate in a better way.
I think that this was kind of an exceptional project in a way that it created very strong clusters that produced the sort of the concrete results, but also initiated discussions between different sectors. So this kind sort of cross-sectoral learning is probably one of the key points in these projects.
We try to take advantage of the circular economy principles and the theory behind it for reuse and remanufacturing purposes. We would like to take more care of our combined future. So then we looked into what services might add to it. So we researched a change approach from product to service, which means we looked into maintenance, upgrades, remanufacturing, and if nothing else works, recycling, and how we can distribute that to our end user in the form of services. So we combine several disciplines.
It's interesting and important to see that you can get really good idea and fresh thinking from areas that are less related to your own business than you thought in the beginning. It's really beneficial to talk to people with different background and different viewpoints. That makes you create new ideas.
Many times you look at your own, let's say, industry, your own domain, without trying to look at other domains, what they are doing, what are their usual way of doing things. And in many cases, it's very nice to have different viewpoints in order to improve your own way of doing things.
European research programs have been created with a goal of bringing diversity together, diversity that exists in Europe, and collaboration is at the very core of the programs. That's the basis of everything that is European nowadays. We need collaboration in order to succeed and in order to compete.
In this project, Use It Wisely partners advanced the application of 3D scanning, imaging, visualization and simulation techniques, augmented and virtual reality, collaborative online tools, and model-based engineering. Use It Wisely results have improved information flows between different actors in the design, upgrading and production of complex products. These benefits are applicable and scalable across much of European industry, including the SME network. The European Commission is at the forefront of this innovation movement and will accelerate this trend with further gains expected.